Happy morning, all. This is Dr. Charanya from Dr. C's World of Niramaya. Many have been asking me, can you just make a video, like about overthinking and what are the tactics or strategies one can follow to overcome this kind of chain reaction of thoughts? So, yes, this video is going to be about it. Let's get into the video. Nowadays, overthinking has turning out to be the most common problem, not only among teenagers but to every adult. Let's not blame just coronavirus, but it's been there for all years together. A report says one in every three human being is facing this problem then and now, which they say is uncontrollable. Yes, I partially agree with it. This is like not fully uncontrollable, but it can be controlled partially, and then it is going to be very easy for you to master. Once you are mastering this technique, this is going to be a piece of cake for you to stop this overthinking and come out of this very easily. So, overthinking is found to be a continuous process of thoughts which is pushing us into depression and mood swings and stress. So, one short slogan I would say for this is why worry about something which is not going to happen in reality? So, every time when you get into overthinking and you just analyzed and you just got, the realization that, okay, maybe I'm overthinking, just say this to yourself a little bit louder. Why worry about something which is not going to happen in reality? And yes, there are 4 techniques which one can follow to overcome this overthinking. So here is the $1,000,000 question, how to overcome overthinking, and here is a $1,000,000 answer for that question. So let's get into the simple solution with 4 simple steps. First, give yourself a reality check. What is the likelihood of this actually happening? Is this really going to happen, or only I'm like being thinking about it repeatedly? Maybe sometimes it can happen. So let's move on to the second step, if this is really happening in likelihood. So now for sure this is really happening in your likelihood, or there are chances for this to happen. Then the second step will be, how about making a plan? What would you do if the worst possible scenario were to happen? So the second thing is how we are going to make a plan and what would be the worst scenario of it. So ask yourself, rather than sitting in the first chain of thoughts, let's move on to the second chain of thoughts. If it's happening, what would be the worst possible to happen? And the third thing is, remind yourself that you're a smart adult who have been living this life in this earth. So there is nothing that you cannot face it. The problem is you are not feeling, you are not getting the confidence actually that you have been facing everything and you can be facing. So the third thing you have to remind yourself is you're smart, you're capable, and you have been facing things and handling things perfectly, because that is why you have been surviving till long in this earth. So the third thing would be, remind yourself that you are capable to face it, however the situation may go worse. And the fourth one is very interesting strategy, because these are just thoughts. It has not yet happened. And even if you feel that, oh my God, this is becoming a big trigger for my anxiety, and this is maybe what if my anxiety goes up, come on, remember yourself, these are thoughts and this can never hurt you. But once if you're preparing for this, to come over this, to face this in your thoughts, it's going to be very easy for you to face this in your real life. So guys, every time when you feel yourself that I'm overthinking, or if your friend or colleague says that, yeah, you're just overthinking, just go aside, sit in a corner, take a deep breath. If you are feeling that there are like so much of grumbling thoughts, so I couldn't sort it out in my mind, take a paper, write it down one by one very clearly, take every thought process into this 4 stages, and yes, you're going to get an answer for it. If you have furthermore doubts after you know after working through this kind of strategies, kindly do text me in my social media, or you can fill a form through our website, or you can just leave a comment in this video. So it's been a very happy moment for me to share this with you, and happy and healthy life for you all. Thank you.